Hello, I am Miss Casey. Today we will make a delicious chocolate mug cake. It is a quick and easy recipe. First, we will mix the dry ingredients in a medium mug. You will need flour, sugar, cocoa powder, and baking soda. Next, add wet ingredients and stir well until the mixture is combined. You will need milk, oil, and vanilla extract.
Mix, mix, mix everything together. Make sure there are no dry spots. When the mixture is homogeneous, sprinkle chocolate chips on top. Then, put the mug in the microwave. Using maximum power, cook the cake for about a minute. It should become warm and soft.
Finally, let it cool for another minute or two before serving. Look, our chocolate mug cake is ready. It smells so good. What a delicious treat! It is a good idea to add fruit or whipped cream on top. Remember, mix dry, add wet, mix again, and microwave. Enjoy your yummy cake.